So before starting the test, the battery is at 100%. Let's start the performance test by playing PUBG, and the initial temperature is 33, and I've switched the graphics and frame rate to medium. Let's see how the game performs. So as you can see, during the gameplay there are noticeable amount of frame drops even at medium settings, but overall gameplay is fine. Testing the temperatures, which rise to a maximum of 42, so no heating issues. I also wanted to test Asphalt 9 Legends, but unfortunately it doesn't show on the Google Play Store. Looking at the battery percentage, it's at 86% after over an hour of gameplay, which is something we expect for a device that has a 5000 mAh battery. So long gaming sessions shouldn't be an issue with the Samsung Galaxy M30. Samsung Galaxy M30 is not an ideal phone for somebody who's a hardcore gamer. It is capable of playing most games, but not the graphically intensive games like PUBG, as the experience isn't going to be smooth. So if you have any questions or video requests regarding Samsung Galaxy M30, let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my future videos. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.